पता है कि एमबीबीएस स्टडीज़ में इतनी सारी टर्म्स है, इतनी सारी ड्रग्स हैं, तो ऐसे ही उनको याद नहीं रख सकते. वी मेक निमोनिक्स फॉर इट, वी मेक आवर ओन सेंटेंसेस सो दैट उसको लाइफ टाइम तक याद रखें. सो रादर देन निमोनिक्स हम उसको इकोनॉमिक्स में शिफ्ट कर सकते हैं. दैट इज मेकिंग पिक्चर्स इमेजिनेशन, दैट सो दैट हमारे साथ बहुत टाइम तक हमारे साथ रिटेन रहे. As we know, relatable is reliable, right? So as we can see that for penicillin we know that that is the drug बहुत ज़्यादा पड़ता है फार्माकोलॉजी में. इट इज़ यूज फॉर मैनी बैक्टीरियल इन्फेक्शंस. सो अगर हम ऐसे याद करें कि पेनिसिलिन इज अ पिलर विच इज यूज टू ट्रीट द इन्फेक्शन, बैक्टीरियल इन्फेक्शन, एंड उसको एक पिक्टोरियल इमेजिनेशन बनाई या वीडियोग्राफी बनाई सो दैट वो बहुत टाइम तक स्टूडेंट्स के माइंड में रिटेन रह सके.
कोई भी ऐसा ड्रग जो इमीडिएटली पिक्चर में कन्वर्ट किया जा सके.
बीटा कैरोटीन,
curriculum where in case the innovation is to create a new curriculum which contains content, abilities, standard evaluation. It means we have to use the content to identify the key concepts and that align the students' age or the year or the standard of that students. Then the abilities, we have to take account the range of students, their abilities, current level of learning, strengths, goal and interest. The standard is access students in relation with achievements and standards, and we have to
Apps regarding, as Sir has said, about the videos of surgeries, so that the main aim should be like the person should be continuous and consistent in studies, and he should not be bored.
signify.
Ma'am, this is only first. Ma'am, this is depicting this picture only. The professor is teaching class.
The traditional mode of teaching.
And this is the e-learning.
Old, or let me die. The child is the father of the man. The child is the father of the man. And hence is our topic, innovations in medical teaching. What do you mean by education? It is derived from the Latin word which means educate. That is to draw out. Draw out both information and ideas from the minds. But what we do is we pump in the information. We don't like getting lectured by our spouse or family for 5 minutes, and we lecture these helpless children for 8 hours, for 300 days, for 15 years, and for lakhs and lakhs of hours. So either the child goes chaotic or he goes silent. When he goes chaotic, we say he's naughty, and when he goes silent, we
Course helping students learn through the interaction with the reading world. It gives the valuable opportunity to learn students. As we know, as being a student, we know that if we see anything, any video, any audio, through audio with an animation, we learn more rather than just audio clips. So here we see 3D reality diagrams which makes us learn and memorize things better.
And comprehensive learning. These were all about the technical innovations. The fourth is the counseling. As we all know, mental health of any student, of any medical student, is very compulsory to understand because to promote all over healthy doctors.
So today we stand here to discuss the rationale of groundbreaking innovation in the last decade. Diagnosis is not the end, but the beginning of practice. So we've tried here to cover the advancement in the field of diagnostic by taking the example of the various tests that have been developed for the current attention seeker, that is COVID-19. The diagnostic tools have become less consuming and less labor intensive due to the progressive innovation. In addition to RT-PCR, we have now rapid antigen tests which can give results in quicker time. Nanotechnology. So nanotechnology is an upcoming field, so laying emphasis on its use in the medical sector is rather indispensable.
पहले IOL सर्जरी होती थी. IOL बहुत बड़े बड़े घर के लोग लगा पाते थे. हमारे आपके घर के भी अच्छे अच्छे लोग को रेड फ्लैग्स होते हैं ना, उनका चश्मा बिल्कुल छोटा सा होता था. वो आप देखिए कोई भी IOL का सर्जरी कराता है, सर ने कॉस्ट कटिंग जो है वो भी इनोवेशन का पार्ट है. दूसरे कौन पता है ना, मिला है आप कॉस्ट कटिंग का सोच सकते हैं. हाउ टू मेक इट चीप.
the greatest medical innovations that took place in the last decade. It is rightly said, as technology
technology grows, we must grow with it. Medicine is one field that is soaring hand in hand with every advancement in technology. Every now and then we hear about new and developing medtech, from virtual reality to artificial intelligence, organ bioprinting, Internet of Medical Things, drug device combination, and what's not. Technology is indeed revolutionizing medicine with every round around the sun. We start with the year 2011, the very onset of this decade, where we had the first transcatheter aortic valve replacement, which made use of the pericardial tissue of the cow to replace the disease and the narrowed aortic wall. That flow comes down to normal, and it helps in bringing the normal breathing mechanics and making the lung function normal.
New technological field which involves machine and components which are at the extent or level of nanometers. For example, earlier nanotechnology was used, but it was more thought of as a drug delivery system. But now gold nanoparticles have been developed. Gold nanoparticles have been proposed to be used in cancer therapy as they have the ability to kill cancer cells. Now what they do is they absorb the incident light and then they convert this incident light into heat, ultimately killing the cancer cells. However, the selectivity, there is problem of selectivity between the normal cells and cancer cells. They can also be used in bioimaging because of their light scattering properties.
ये glucose monitors जो आ रहे हैं ना आजकल, so what happens is when they detect your sugar level, they instantly send a message to you, to your doctor and everyone. Not only that, after that there are call centers who, when they receive these messages, they will call the patient that your sugar is going low, please take something, so that reinforces.
Got our interest the most. The first one here is of the CEO of SpaceX, Elon Musk. The revolutionary innovation. In 2001, Elon Musk conceptualized Mars Oasis, a project to land a miniature experimental greenhouse project and grow plants on Mars. On a way to find affordable rockets, he subsequently came out with the idea of building his own rocket innovation, which is all of the development in the history throughout the history of medical prosthetics have been very impressive. But the most profound medical advance in history occurred with the invention of TMR.
The last decade. Innovation is seeing something that everybody has seen and thinking what nobody has ever thought. Well, if we pause and ponder over this thought quoted by Dr. Albert, we can realize that it is actually the basic rule one must follow while on their path to innovate anything. Today in a poster we have tried to depict some of the groundbreaking innovations.
Helpful also, and this is very useful in the children and in some patients which require medication on a daily basis, like the diabetics also, which requires multiple time insulin on the daily basis. Now, in the third photograph, we have tried to summarize the complete new world of the robotic surgery. Now, the robotic surgery has benefited both the doctors as well as the patients also. Now the doctors can perform the multiple surgeries in a single day, and even the most complicated procedures, they can be performed with very ease and with very high precision. And the major benefit of this is like the patients, they didn't even get so much amount of scar which they get during the normal surgery procedures.
The whole organ is required. It would be used in the various chronic diseases where just regeneration is required and the body is not able to regenerate. So minor injections, which plasma therapy, PRP, that is all based on a stem cell proliferation and it is to stimulate the stem cells.
In this, TM mask is worn by the patient, which stops the virus. Also, at the same time, it changes its color if the virus is present in the surrounding. Time of this pandemic, the most of the people denies to wear masks because of such silly excuses and their negligence to virus. It gives them a visual confirmation of sight, which is an effective way to convince the user that there is a pathogen, there is a virus, and this is a pandemic.
The same technique, the same technique has been used for Ebola virus as well, but the litmus paper strips detect the virus, the viral RNA of Ebola virus. So we thought of making this in a mask so that it is available to everyone on the market value.
This
instead of that app that Modi is emphasizing everyone to get, that is giving warning.
Does it actually change the pH?
Yes.
But which work on the person's voice and the inbuilt intelligence in an app. Like this, the person is sitting in front of a person, and the app will work on the. हम जैसे कि हमारे सामने कोई आदमी बैठा है, वो आप जैसे कि हम कुछ बोलेंगे एनी नेम विच वी कैन ऐड इन द ऐप लाइक हेलो वी वर्क एंड वी कैन आस्क कि हमारे सामने कौन पर्सन बैठा हुआ है, वो सब बताएगा. ही विल टेल अबाउट द एज एंड द पर्सन इमोशंस एवरीथिंग अबाउट दैट विल टेल कि हमारे सामने कौन है. वो पहले से भी बता पाएगा कि अगर हम पहले इस आदमी को मिले हुए कि नहीं मिले हुए, ये स्ट्रेंजर है कोई और है. अबाउट द रीडिंग, जैसे कि हमारे कोई ब्लाइंड पर्सन होता है, वो रीड नहीं कर पाएगा, कुछ नहीं कर पाएगा. पर ये जो इनबिल्ट ऐप होता है, जैसे कि हम किसी को भगवद गीता पढ़नी है, तो हम बोलेंगे कि हमको रीड करवाना है, वो सब रीड करके टेक्स्ट रीड करके हमको बताएगा कि हमको क्या करना है. और उसके अंदर इनबिल्ट बार कोड होगा. जैसे कि हमें किसी प्रोडक्ट की एक्सपायरी देखनी है, वो तो आदमी तो ब्लाइंड है, वो नहीं देख पाएगा, पर वो जैसे स्कैन करके बार कोड उसको बता पाएगा कि प्रोडक्ट एक्सपायर है, सब कुछ है. और जैसे कि हमें कुछ किचन में कोई काम होता है, कुछ सब कुछ करना होता है, तो उसके अंदर सब कुछ होगा, वो बता पाएगा ये क्या है क्या नहीं है, जैसे क्या यूटेंसिल है क्या ये है. और करेंसीज मैम, जैसे कि करेंसीज के नोट सब सेम होते हैं, वो बता नहीं पाएगा कि कौन सा करेंसी क्या करेंसी है. पर ये जो इनबिल्ट ऐप है मैम, उसको बता पाएगा कि उस नोट की वैल्यू क्या है, वो क्या कर सकता है. अगर उस आदमी को जैसे कि कहीं पे रोड क्रॉस करनी है मैम, तो इनबिल्ट कैमरा मैम, क्योंकि आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस है उसके पास, AI है, तो बताएगा कि मेरे पास कौन जा रहा है कौन नहीं, कितने मीटर दूर है कितने मीटर नहीं, तो आसानी से रोड क्रॉस कर पाए. जैसे लाइक अ डॉग, ही हेल्प्स द मैन टू वॉक मैम, तो जैसे बिल्कुल ऐसे उसको मदद करेगा. हमें मेट्रो स्टेशन पे जाना है, इनबिल्ट ऐप है कि हमें बता दें कहाँ से क्या जाना है, पर वो कैमरा यूज़ नहीं कर पाते कि हमारे आसपास कौन है. बाय वॉइस प्रोसेस.
बट करेंसी का तो ऑलरेडी है, ब्लाइंड्स के लिए
ये
करेंसी
सर करेंसीज का है सर, पर वो वॉइस उस पर नहीं है सर.
एक ऐसा ऐप है जो मल्टीटास्क कर रहा है, बहुत सारे फंक्शन कर रहा है एक ब्लाइंड पर्सन के लिए.
सर आप वो भी ऐसा कि जैसे कि कोई आदमी फ्री होता है, तो वो हम वीडियो कॉल कर सकते हैं, वो आदमी को बता पाएंगे कि प्रोडक्ट एक्सपायर है कुछ नहीं है. पर इसमें सब इनबिल्ट है सर.
So you want to develop an app that has inbuilt everything?
Yes.
तो एलेक्सा का रिफाइनमेंट है.
एलेक्सा नाम एलेक्सा वर्क ऑन ही हैव नो कैमरा वगैरह सर.
Voice recognition.
वॉइस रिकॉग्निशन कर सकता है, इसमें इमेज प्रोसेसिंग भी.
किसी कोई ब्लाइंड पर्सन